In this video, you'll learn how to remove null values in Tableau, a crucial skill for anyone looking to clean up their data and ensure accurate visualizations. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just beginning your journey with Tableau, dealing with null values is a common task. These nulls can distort your analysis and make your data visualizations less effective. So let's dive into how you can easily handle them. First, you want to start by identifying the field in your data that contains the null values you wish to remove. Once you've located this field, you'll need to drag it to the filters shelf. The filters shelf in Tableau is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to control which data you see in your visualization. By placing the field here, you're setting the stage for filtering out those pesky nulls. Now, depending on the type of data you're working with, the steps will differ slightly. If your field is a dimension, you'll see a list of all the unique values within that field. Among these, you'll find an option labeled null. Simply uncheck this box to filter out the null values. This will ensure that they no longer appear in your analysis or visualizations, providing you with cleaner and more accurate data. On the other hand, if your field is a measure, the process is a little different. Once you have the field in the filter shelf, open the filter dialog box. Here, you'll want to look for a section labeled Special. In this section, you'll find an option called Non-Null Values. Selecting this option will exclude any null values from your measures, just like we did with dimensions. This step is vital for maintaining the integrity of your data, especially when you're dealing with numerical fields where null values can significantly skew results. By following these steps, you're taking control over your data's cleanliness, ensuring that only useful, non-null data is used in your visualizations. It's worth noting that handling null values effectively can improve the readability and accuracy of your reports, helping you make more informed decisions based on your data insights. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of additional tips to consider. Always double check your data after applying these filters to make sure that the null values are indeed removed. It's also a good practice to regularly review your data sources and understand why null values might be appearing. Sometimes they could indicate missing information that needs to be addressed at the source. And there you have it. This simple guide has shown you how to remove null values in Tableau, helping you polish your data sets for better insights. With cleaner data, your visualizations will be more precise and impactful. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other Tableau tips and tricks. Happy visualizing!